Thank God for coffee. Well, leaving camp, day 6, Algonquin Provincial Park. Today, we're leaving Mink Lake, and we're headed to Kioskawe Lake. I'm sure I'm butchering the name of these, but Kioskawe. Anyway, that's where we're planning to go today. Actually, we're going to hopefully pass that and get to Manitou and stay on one of the islands. I forgot we had kind of decided we were going to try to go a little bit further today since we made up ground yesterday. So yeah, it was a nice breakfast. Had some bacon and coffee. Everybody else had a nice decent breakfast this morning. So should be a relatively easy paddle today. All right, guys. And we've got a 1300 portage coming up, a few others, but other than that, it should be a pretty nice day. Fog is lifting off the water. Beautiful morning. I like the fall colors coming out. Really pretty, isn't it? Oh, there's our neighbors up there. First one of the day. How far is this one? 400? 450. Yeah. Probably try to single carry this one?
Yeah. I think they're all single carries today.
Yeah, I think so. Look at that one.
I don't know if you can show it to me, Kev, but get it.
Got it?
Yep.
Nice.
Wow.
There he goes.
Nice.
It took a while. I didn't want to bore you on camera. I mean, trying to loosen him up.
That's all right.
But
yeah, that's fine.
holy cow, he was a good one.
I saw you getting serious with the pole, like, oh, it's bending a lot.
He was really pulling the drag.
And you were exactly like, oh, I'm going to go down the rapids. I'm like, I better go stop that.
I would have gone down to the rapids if you didn't come save me.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Well, he was pulling you away for a little while, so you were okay. But
Yeah, when he turned around and started pulling me back up the lake, thank God.
That was cool.
Cool, thank you very much. That was exciting.
Yep, that's cool.
That was a nice bass.
That was biggest fish of the trip.
I think so. I gotta say, I was hoping for a trout, but well, kind of nice bass. If it was a little closer to lunchtime, I might have kept it. That'd have been a nice little treat, but we're on our second portage of the day. So this is a pretty good one. It's a 600, so it's gonna take a little bit, but catching that fish was a nice little recharge. All right, off we go. Well, portage is over. We're back on Kiyashikwi Lake. Cody and I decided we'd put on some a little bit bigger lures with some leaders. Understand that there's some pike and steelhead and stuff in here, so who knows, maybe we'll get lucky. We stopped for a Slim Jim break. Maybe I'll see Bigfoot now. Wait, that's Jack Lynx. Oh well. Do you think he cares? So, we're going to be paddling on this for quite a while. Just boring miles after mile. So, I'll get with you if something exciting happens. Pretty cool. And basically, we stay on the left-hand shore for this entire lake. And we have a triple portage that works out to be almost 1,000 meters, I guess. Is that what you said, Ben?
What's that?
All three of those portages together, they're like 1,000, right? Or yeah, just under?
1,025.
1,025, so that'll be a big one. We got a couple big ones today, but it's okay. Looks like Cody might have a fish. You got something, Cody? Oh, yeah. Here I come. Let's go see. That was a good one. You see it? I was headed over, but it just threw the hook. That was a good fish, huh? Yeah, that was probably at least 5 pounds. What was it, on a daredevil? Yeah, they're on a red devil. Yeah, whatever. Daredevil, red devil. Nice. Daredevil. Very cool. A little excitement. Too bad hit through the hook, but said it was about a 5-pound fish, he thinks. Very cool. Nice to be on a lake this big and have it be this calm in the middle of the day. Helps us to make some time, because you know how it is. A little bit of wind, and this lake will take on a mind of its own. There's days that you can't even paddle it. Not in these little pack boats. You'd be stuck in camp. So we're lucky. Picture perfect blue sky day. Nice sight right there. Big table rock. Very cool. Couple big old red pines. Fighting good. And look what you caught it on.
I got it on your uncle's daredevil there.
Nice. Little bass.
Oh,
you got off!
He was pulling my drag out as fast as I could start reeling.
I got it on camera, it's all that matters.
That's alright.
Ben's first fish of the trip. Daredevils are ruling the day today. What is it? Oh.
Yeah, I meant birds or both.
We got a little bass. Little guy.
There's a size limit too, where you can keep it. Everybody's had to bite on this lake then.
There he goes. Nothing big, but he's a fish.
That's alright. It's exciting.
Cool. Off we go. Nice. and beautiful. Woo-hoo. Love it. Well, here we go again. Portage number 3 of the day. This is a little triple portage, which I don't quite understand, but that's what it said on the map. So, and then we're closing in on the big one, the big 1300. Gonna have lunch after we finish this little section of walking. I like these wraps for lunch. They're simple. Yeah, it's nice. Nice and easy. So, where are we, halfway? To Manitou, you think?
More.
More than half?
Yeah.
Nice.
I think the halfway point was...
Huh?
We literally have...
This is a really short little river section, then we have that big portage, and we're in Manitou.
Yeah.
We're way more than halfway.
We shoot for the second island probably, right?
Yeah.
At least.
Make tomorrow's paddle a little more easy. Yeah.
The second island looks to be just shy of the halfway point of Manitou Lake,
Yeah.
which is good.
Be nice to have like a really easy paddle tomorrow. Yeah. And get up, take our time.
Get up, you have a nice easy paddle to warm up with.
Yeah.
And you have a 400 portage.
We might not have to leave when it's freezing cold. We could wait a second,
Yeah.
and then we can go.
We have...
Yeah, I like
we
that
have the
idea.
time
Breakfast tomorrow morning.
Yeah,
Because after that...
Yeah, nice little lunch. Just got through that portage. And now we're on the Aimable de Fond River. Headed into Manitou Lake. So, judging by the map, there's a couple islands in there, and we're hoping to camp on an island. A lot of the island sites seem to be pretty cool. Wouldn't you say, Cody?
Yeah, usually my favorite.
Yeah, that one on Maple was,
That was pretty cool.
that was my favorite site. So, yeah, we're gonna look for those. Kind of just take our time, not kill ourselves. Tomorrow's gonna be an easy day. Day 7. We're gonna try to make it to T Lake. And at the access point, just before the access point of Algonquin Park. And then we're gonna get up early and paddle our butts out of here and try to get home, because we've got an 8-9 hour drive home from here. So that's the plan. Couple little riffles up ahead. Looks like we got a little rapid section. Andrew's having a hard time with it. Oh, it's sucking him in. Dig! Oh, he's through it. All right, my turn. I'm gonna try to get some speed. Oh. Woo. Just gotta get a little speed. That was tough.
Yeah. I got hit raw.
Come on, Ben. Nice. Well, that was fun.
Usually we're going the other way when we get to go.
I know it. Okay. Couple extra scratches in the boat. Adventure scars.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep. Well, this is it. Last big portage of the day. 1350. Once we get through this, we'll be on Manitou Lake, looking for a place to camp. I hope it's flat all the way.
That would be something, huh?
Downhill.
Or yeah, or even slightly downhill. I like that. It's a long one. It's a long one, Jay. You ready?
I'm ready.
At least it's the last one.
Last big one.
Wow. Well, that's amazing looking. That was a sufferfest, though. I thought so too. It wasn't. It was brutal. I didn't have much more left in me. Oh, I'm glad that was the last portage of the day. That whooped me. I am out of gas. Beautiful beach it came out on though. Holy cow. Jason decided to go out for a swim. You can come out from the shore probably. God, you could still stand up here. Probably 50 yards. Maybe more, no more. Still only like 3 feet deep here. A beautiful beach. We got an island in front of us. We're gonna try to go past that island to the next one here on Manitou. And camp for the night. I'm pretty cooked by the sun all day. We're all pretty crispy. I'm ready for the clouds to take some of that sun away. But nice flat water too. It's gonna be a nice paddle to camp. The water is just absolute glass. Oh, camp for the night. Well, here we are, Manitou Lake, second island in. We just perused it real quick, but this was actually our first campsite that we stopped at, and it's pretty nice. You can see behind me, that's where Cody is. Andrew's up a little bit further on the bank, and behind me, I'm doing the plow point setup, as you can see. My brother is over here in the corner, and that's our view out. It is just beautiful. So that's what I'll be looking at as I go to sleep tonight. And then, if you go up the hill, we have a really cool fire pit. Look at this. Isn't that cool? Little fire pit and a tree growing on the rock behind it. But I think Andrew's far enough back it shouldn't be an issue. And then we have a sitting log, and Cody's up there. He's already got some wood coming down the hill. So we're gonna cut this stuff up. Got a couple more over there. We should have a pretty grand fire tonight. Tomorrow's gonna be an easy day, so that's always nice after several hard days in a row. So yeah, we're gonna process some wood, finish making camp, and I'll get with you guys in a bit. Wow, That is high living. That is really fancy, Cody,
Yeah.
compared to what we've been using.
So to be fair, when you said tell them what the Thunderbox is, I thought you meant this time. Usually the Thunderbox is a box with a hole in the top of it.
And
Yeah.
not always totally out of sight of everybody.
Yeah, like the one on the island on Maple Lake.
Yeah.
It was like everybody's setting up their campsites, and it was like, "Where's the Thunderbox?" Oh, in the middle of everything. Okay, that's good.
Hi everybody, never mind me, I'm going poo. So anyway, this is pretty fancy actually. Okay, you gotta use it, I'll leave. We all decided to share resources, so 2 of us brought an axe, the rest of us brought a saw. So I'm an axe guy. So normally I would probably do this with a saw, but these little guys should be no problem. Hello. Oh. Day 6. Algonquin Park. Manitou Lake. The sun is just coming down. Beautiful time of night to be out here. So quiet. It's a huge lake and there's just no noise. No motorboats, no music, none of that junk. Just solitude and peace and quiet. Nice to know that there's still places like this on Earth. A little bit hard to get to, but they're worth it. Very fortunate to have chances like this. I owe a lot of it to my family, my wife, who allows me to go out and do these big adventures. Thank you, honey. When you're out here alone, you think of them a lot. Think of home. Think of your blessings. It's beautiful. People got to get away from their screens and the noise and distraction. Find out who you really are. Well, enough about my little rant, but just caught up in the moment here. I'm gonna fish for a little bit longer. I'll head back to camp and see if those guys get the fire going. Have something to eat. I think I'm going to enjoy this peace and quiet for a little bit longer though. I need this. We all need this. There we go. There we go. Oh, he's a beaut, Clark. Taking it up the drag. Come on. Whoa, flip the boat. Release the drag. What we got? Oh, he's a hog. He is a hog bass. Woo! Nice. Alright. They like this perch pattern. Nice. That was awesome. That was awesome. Okay, now I guess I'll go in. It's a good way to end the night. I'll go sit by the fire, maybe have a whiskey, visit with my buddies. Ooh, I like the fire, guys. Thank you. Very nice. Did you do it?
Nope.
Did you do it?
I started it.
You did it.
Jason did the rest.
Nice. Continue whittling your chair. Nice. Cody needed a flat spot to sit on. He decided to dig out the axe and go to it. Get that one up there in the top corner, that old pesky one. Yeah, right there.
Ooh, that's the one.
Okay, this might take a little bit, so. Well, another day ends here in Algonquin Park. We're blessed with another crescent moon. See if I can zoom in on it for you guys. Yep. There it is. Over the water here. Camera just doesn't do it justice. You can see the reflection of it in the water. Beautiful night. Just finished dinner. Having some good fun campfire stories. And then we're off to bed. Tomorrow's our last full day here in Algonquin. We're going to make it back to T Lake where we started in the park. And then the last day we're going to head out onto Kawewe Mog and head it home.